Imagine we have a valley between the hills, and villages, rivers, and estates are scattered across the valley. Now imagine we have a Templar knight. It's a little bit dark background, so let's remove it. So assume that our Templar knight wants to go from village A to church C. So he should go using the roads, and in this case, let's say he goes like this. Take another turn, and then finally he approaches the church. So his route will be as follows. However, we can see that there is a shorter distance between village A and church C, which is a straight line. So this distance is a minimal distance between village A and church C, and it is called Euclidean distance. To compute Euclidean distance, let's introduce coordinate axis. This will be our axis y, and x. The coordinates of church, in this case, will be x1 and y1. And coordinates of village A will be x2 and y2. To compute Euclidean distance, we need to take a square difference of x components and add square difference of y components, then take a square root of this sum. In the next video, we will use Python and NumPy library in order to compute Euclidean distance and investigate how Euclidean distance is connected with probability.